in just 1 hour, we've got 7 illegals here in Brevard County that are now on their way to detention.
And we begin today with the developing story. The first person arrested under Florida's new immigration law just faced a judge in Brevard County. The state is calling this arrest, quote, one for the books. Thanks for joining us at 5. I'm John Brown.
And I'm Marlisa Goldsmith. The State Board of Immigration Enforcement says the Brevard County Sheriff's Office made history as the first agency in Florida to arrest and charge someone for unlawfully re-entering the state. Fox 35's Marie Ettinger joins us live tonight. So, Marie, the sheriff says this man has already been deported once before.
Marlisa, the new law that just kicked in last month makes it a misdemeanor to come into the state of Florida or even try to get in if you're in the country illegally. And it makes it a third-degree felony if you'd been deported once before and chose to come back. The Brevard County Sheriff's Office is the first law enforcement agency in the nation to use one of Florida's newest laws, making it illegal to come back to Florida if you've already been deported.
We're seeing sometimes 6 to 7 a week. It's very commonplace that we're seeing it. Before we had the partnership with Customs and Homeland Security, we couldn't do anything about it.
The FWC says Felipe Hernandez-Chavarin was trespassing in a construction site, one they'd told him to leave multiple times. When he didn't, they brought him out of there in handcuffs.
On a charge of illegal re-entry of an unauthorized alien.
That's when the Brevard County Sheriff's Office realized he's here illegally from Mexico and that he'd been deported once before back in 2019.
You're going to remain in custody on no bond.
The new Florida statute comes with a mandatory minimum of a year and 1 day, meaning those convicted can be sentenced to serve their time in prison rather than jail.
My county jail has a max capacity of 1,700. We usually operate around 82%. 82 to 84%. I think the design is actually to put them where there's additional bed space. But the bigger picture of that, it's also designed to hold them so that the federal rules and policies and things can take place.
Some or all of the punishment for this new crime can be waived if the illegal immigrant agrees to return to their home country. But if they come back again and are caught, the punishments get progressively worse. Reporting live, Marie Ettinger, Fox 35 News.